We are so excited to be at the 2018 South Beach Food and Wine Festival on Miami Beach. This is the grand tasting event. Is this the first event?
First of the grand tasting. Grand tasting is today and tomorrow.
All right, so it's a 2-day event. We're here for the first day. We beat most of the line, which is great.
Coca-Cola is here at SoBe Wine and Food Festival. Surf and Turf is in the house. Come on over. Eat up. Drink up.
All right, everybody, we got Chef Wells. I just said it on their social media, but one of the best chicken wings I have ever had in my life. I have had chicken wings all over the world. And this is amazing, man.
Anything else would be uncivilized. And you've heard it first from the chef of love himself. A smoked mojito mint hot wing. Look, we took this thing through several levels. First, we marinated in the actual Caribbean rum, mint, agave, lime, and then we put a hint of Boss sparkling mint water.
What?
Yes, that's sparkling mint water.
Fancy.
Right there. Then from there, flash fried it, then we finished it off by smoking it on the big green there, and now we're walking the love on. We call it AKA one shot of love right here.
That's amazing. Jeff, thank you so much, all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you, Jeff.
Smells like truffle, and in case you didn't know, truffles equal life.
Oh, 22!
I'm a winner!
We're not even 25% of the way into this thing. I'm already full. We've had chicken wings, tacos, Haitian food.
We haven't even made it into the grand tasting tent yet. Let's do this.
So what is this? What is this?
This is a couple chicken.
Wow!
You can't even believe it. Ay, qué rico, huh?
This is amazing. Oh, Jeff.
We'll work on it.
Jeff! You're blowing my mind. It's amazing. We're loving it, having a great time. I'm stuffed. Steph, your favorite.
Don Julio and I are related. He's Gonzalez.
Our Jalisco Don Julio Blanco. It has ginger, it has agave, and carrot.
Amazing.
Yes.
Good
for you.
And you're such a Don Julio fan that the Don Julio rep goes and gets you a shot of 1942 to the back just for you. That's what's up. Last stop.
I'm so stuffed.
We can do this.
I can't.
This is it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 places. We don't have to eat from all 6.
I can't.
Pick and choose.
I'm done.
Here we go. We're out.
I'm throwing in the towel.
We're out.
I can't.
You can do it.
No.
Be a man.
Oh, there's cannolis.
Woo! That's what I wanted.
There's cannolis. Oh my God. The what?
Cannoli is so good.
All right, we're done. Are we leaving? Are we finally leaving?
Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
Done.
Do you have any tips?
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly. Hey, thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy.
Exactly how I wanted to end.
How did you want it to end?
Exactly like this. Sweet. I'm so cute when I vlog.
Get out of here.
Stop.
B.GoNz, I love B.GoNz. Okay,
No.
so I recently bought a Yeti cooler. I didn't think that I would ever spend the money, but I did. So now I'm putting stickers on it from places I've gone to speak. So here you go. This is going on it.
Just here for the scotch.